What if just 2 simple movements could help you start working on your leg and hip fat without jumping and without putting too much pressure on your knees? Because honestly, I know how frustrating lower body workouts can feel when your knees start hurting and just a few exercises. And that's exactly why today's workout is different. This is not one of those intense routines with fast squats, difficult movements, or exhausting jumping exercises. Today we are keeping things simple, beginner-friendly, and much more easier on the knees. Honestly, this is the exact kind of workout I needed myself when I was overweight. Back then, difficult workouts never felt too realistic for me either. Too much jumping would leave me uncomfortable. Intense exercises felt very exhausting, and instead of feeling motivated, I would just feel completely like giving up. And I know so many women silently feel the same way. After long hours of sitting, work, household, responsibilities, or simply low energy days, your legs start feeling heavy, your hips feel stiff, and your lower body starts feeling tighter and less active. Then you open workout videos online and instantly feel overwhelmed. Everything looks too fast, too intense, too difficult to maintain consistently. But fitness does not need to feel extreme to work. Sometimes the best workouts are simply the ones your body feels comfortable doing regularly. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Mohan, and over the years I've helped so many women start fitness routines in a much more realistic and manageable way. And today's workout is focused on just 2 easy movements for your legs, hips, thighs, and lower body, designed especially for beginners and women who want low-impact exercises at home. These movements can help support overall fitness, help target leg and hip fat areas, gradually strengthen your lower body muscles, and help your body feel more active over time. And before we begin, how many of you are watching this workout from your bedroom right now? Do let me know in the comments section. I want to know. Now relax your shoulders, sit comfortably, and take one deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Very good. Now let's begin with our first movement. So like I promised you, I'm going to show you 2 simple moves which you can keep absolutely secretly to yourself, because these 2 simple moves are the golden rules for you to lose your hip and overall leg fat. For that, the first move we have is very simple. Sit at the edge of your bed, keep your core muscles also tucked in tight, and just keep your feet slightly width apart, more than your shoulder width. And we're going to lift our knees like this and touch our toes like this. So this is the first move which you can do seated position, either on your bed, a couch, or a chair. Let's do it together. So here I am doing this very movement along with you, so you can do it too. It's such a simple movement. While you're watching your favorite TV show, while you're doing something, if you have a sedentary lifestyle, you already have a chair. All you need is this very easy step. It's fine if you can't lift your leg all the way up. You can lift it just a little higher, and then you can graduate on to the level where it can come all the way up to your knee height. Such a simple step, isn't it? So we're going to do this for a minute. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done! So proud of you! Now I'm going to show you another variation of that very easy simple step that I showed you while sitting on the bed. What if you feel like standing up? Yes, you can reap even better benefits of that very exercise. Now we have to actually widen our legs slightly wider than the shoulder width apart, and we have to again do toe touches like this. Shift slightly to one side, then touch, then shift again to the other side and touch. It's a simple and easy movement but super effective. Let's do it together. Just imagine doing this early in the morning when you wake up from bed and your body actually needs to stretch, and you can get this lower body workout done first thing in the morning out of the way. So easy. yet so simple. Fitting into your favorite pair of jeans, wearing your favorite dress, and just having slimmer legs. A dream for many will surely come true. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. As I promised you in the very beginning of the video, now I have to show you the second simple move. The entire process is so simple, you can literally do it just anywhere in the comfort of your own home. No equipment needed. And personally, I feel that doing floor exercises is a little too difficult. So I'm going to teach you this very standing exercise squat, which is so simple. All you have to do is you have to squat against your bed and you have to literally sit on the bed. Yes, so simple and not at all affecting the knees. Just imagine, this is all you have to do. Let's do it together. So this is also a very easy exercise which comes in handy to train you how to squat the perfect way, like this. And once we're done, I'm going to show you another variation to challenge you just slightly more so you can see even better results. Now we're going to do this for a minute, but if you want, you can actually stretch it longer for 30 more reps, 20 more reps, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done! For the next variation of this very exercise, we're going to do pulsing, but we're not going to sit on the bed. In fact, we're not even going to touch the bed. Like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, it's just a slight variation and it's actually even more effective for your thighs, your entire leg, your hip area. This one very easy movement is the ask of the hour. So if you're enjoying these exercises, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done.